in January. Toy says this is about a long-term strategy.
I think that makes it harder for investors in the shorter term to get a feel for certain statistics around the company. But that's why I encourage folks, to answer your question, to take the longer view.
It's interesting that he talks about the fact that retail investors seem to get it. So far, Clover has been a better bet on the short side than the long, with a 14% short interest. That has also made it a favorite of the meme traders on Reddit. And when I talked to Toy about that, he said, that's actually a good thing. He says he's read some of those spots, and he says one of the things that's happening is that people are understanding Medicare and understanding its mission. But at the moment, it's not necessarily giving the stock any leverage. It's down some 72% from its high in June. But we are in the middle of Medicare open enrollment, and they are doubling their footprint this year. Take a look at the map. They are now going to be in 9 states, and they are continuing to target those underserved areas, particularly in the South. They're expanding into Mississippi this year. So they say they're continuing on their mission, and they think longer term, this is going to prove right, and investors are going to get it. Carl?
Some fantastic coverage today, Bertha, whether it's Google Health or Clover. That's from Bertha Coombs. Thanks. If you missed part of the show, don't forget to follow and subscribe to our podcast. You can listen anytime, anywhere, wherever you download podcasts. And Tech Check is back in just a moment.
All around the world, tech companies are innovating and driving returns for investors. At Our Crowd, we analyze companies across the global private market, selecting those with the greatest growth potential, then bring them to you. We offer investments across growth stages and industries, from personalized medicine to financial technology to cybersecurity, a $22 billion addressable market. Now you can invest in Symptom, which helps companies identify and address their biggest cybersecurity vulnerabilities, using a simple solution that can be up and running in minutes. Symptom won Best Cybersecurity Product at this year's Global InfoSec Awards. Invest today at Our Crowd. Our Crowd's accredited investors have already invested over $1 billion in growing tech companies. Join the fastest growing venture capital investment community